Slight breeze out of the east right now.
Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And we are back, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. I'm sure you're tuning in to see the RC Geek himself. There he is. Rock on, dude. Okay, we got Chris and his QF-4 drone. And he's already featured this on his channel. And it was a great video, by the way.
Struts on there.
Huh?
It's a good thing it's got them trailing struts on there.
They're
working good right now, though.
They are.
They're going like this the whole time.
Anyway, I'll try not to get in the way between Chris and Brent there. Then we get some pictures of this jet flying out here in the high desert. So I like this because it's going to be easy to follow. I think. Of course, famous last words. But yeah, this is a QF-4 Phantom. This is unfortunately the way a lot of these planes ended their fate. They were painted up bright orange, and they wound up being target drones. Which is kind of a sad fate for a plane that soldiered for so many years. But these paint schemes do make for very interesting color configurations for these jets. So a while back, you may recall on the channel, we featured Brent's QF-4 Phantom, which we were flying down at the Southern California Scale Squadron. This is a couple of years ago, actually. And now we have yet another one on the channel. This one being built by none other than Chris, the RC Geek Wolfe. And
yeah, it does not want to focus against the mountains. For sure.
Yeah, the mountains do play a little havoc with these cameras, even the movie cameras.
And it's moving fast, which makes it that much more difficult.
But it is a stunning backdrop for these things, so it
the blue sky
comes with
looks
its
great against it, though. Really clear blue sky.
Has its pros and cons. But again, this is a QF-4 Phantom.
Go ahead and do your thing now. I'll just see what I can get. Worry about me.
Chris, is this a QF-4B or something like that? QF-4B?
Technically, yeah.
Okay.
It's a thin wing.
Okay. And it's painted up in the markings of the Pacific Missile Test Center. It's at Point Magu, California.
The Great Pumpkin.
The Great Pumpkin. Yeah, this paint scheme happens to be the Great Pumpkin, is what the plane was called. Now, was this plane ever piloted? Actual human pilots, or
yeah.
Okay?
Anytime they weren't flying them remotely, like basically when they weren't shooting them down.
Right. They're piloted. Yeah. Now, do you know the actual history? Did this aircraft meet its fate of the Pacific Ocean, or did it survive?
No, I think it was shot down ultimately.
Yeah, that's an unfortunate thing, but that's why many of them ended their fate. But it was all in the cause of improving air-to-air missiles.
Pass from the right.
Oh, that looks so sick as it was coming, but it wouldn't focus. I picked it up right at first before I got the button clicked, and then it went blurry on me. That looks so cool against those mountains over there with that orange.
You can do it again.
You try it.
Do it again.
Just come at me slower.
Hey,
I got time.
Hey, Chris, is this the E-Flight or is this the Freewing?
This is the Freewing.
This is the Freewing. Okay, so it's what, a 90?
Yes.
Okay.
I got an 8S jet fan in there.
Oh, okay.
Focus. I got a couple off, but it would not focus.
Can you get a better cameraman, please?
I'm working for free here.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Come on, man.
Man, you know the thing. That was a couple of good shots right there. Try it one more time. I won't zoom in as much, see if that helps.
I can't believe you couldn't coax your normal camera guy into coming out here.
He wanted to, but he had something going on today.
Oh, okay.
That was better. Not zoomed in as much. It worked a lot better. There might be something usable in there.
We do a gear pass and land. I'll tell you three. I'm going to go ahead and land from the right. Man, it gets hard to see over there, even the orange.
You might have got it right at touchdown. With the nose way up.
Yeah. Beautiful high angle of attack on these when they come in. Alright, well again, we are out at Rabbit Dry Lake. We're with Chris, the RC Geek Wolfe, and he's flying his Freewing QF-4B Phantom, painted up as a target drone on a very busy Saturday at Rabbit Dry Lake. So, thanks for watching, thank you for subscribing. Blue skies, all the best from Rabbit Dry Lake and the RC Geek, as we have a good Saturday, have a good turnout, a good crew, lots of different types of aircraft here, from turbine jets to prop jobs to electric. I mean, you name it, it's down here and it's flying. So again, thanks for watching, thank you for subscribing, thanks for tuning in. Cheers, blue skies, and all the best from Just Wing It.